So again, and welcome to one of the Swarmit Appvent Calendar videos. This is our Christmas initiative where we highlight tools that can help teams work smarter as we head into the new year. My name is Wilfred Msiska, and I'm an Atlassian Consultant at Swarmit, and we are dedicated to helping teams get the most out of their Atlassian tools. I am joined today by my special guest, Evita Legzdiņa from EazyBI. Welcome.
Hey.
Thank you for joining. Can you please introduce yourself? Tell us a bit about yourself.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm really happy to be joining you today for this special call. I'm Evita. I'm working in EazyBI marketing team, and yes, I've been here with EazyBI for 7 years now, and very happy of our tool and the product we can offer our users.
Great, thank you. And for any of our viewers that are not familiar, can you please tell us a bit about EazyBI and what it does?
So yes, EazyBI is a business intelligence tool that helps you to create customized reports. So I would say whenever you want to base your decisions on data, and you are kind of looking for some more complex reporting tools within the ecosystem, so this is the right moment to try EazyBI and see how it works, and if it's available, if it's answering all your business questions you have. So basically, yes, it's all about the reports, the charts, and dashboards. Very wide range you can create with EazyBI.
Perfect, thank you. And who would you say is your primary audience at EazyBI, and what types of teams benefit the most from using the tool?
So basically, I would say that everyone could be our target audience. Everyone who's looking for a bit more advanced reporting than, for example, Jira reports can find. So everyone who's looking for something more is our wide audience. Of course, we are a lot of development teams are using EazyBI. A lot of project teams are using EazyBI, but those use cases are pretty wide. So usually those are IT teams. Those are some banking, finance customers that we have. So those are the automotive. Those are the biggest industries that do have those complex data sets. Also the data coming from different data sources. So this is our primary audience. So everyone who's looking for a bit more, complex reporting.
Okay. Nice, thank you. And as we know, there are several, let's say, reporting apps available in the marketplace and in the ecosystem. From your perspective, what sets EazyBI apart from the other solutions?
I would say that our strongest part is that we do all the data matching behind the scenes. So this is something that you as a user don't really see how we are rearranging the data that you have. So that it is available for this flexible reporting. So where you can drag and drop the dimensions and measures and different combinations. So this is the unique power of this is a strong power of EazyBI, so that you can really explore your data, not just put two data points together in one table, but you can actually really do different, and you can different kind of combinations, as well as you can calculate some additional measures to add to your a bit different angle than you had it just from the data you have. So say that this flexibility and the ability to create the customized reports is the stronghold of EazyBI, together with the fact that you can combine different data sources, not only Jira data or Confluence data, but you can add also external data sources. So from databases, the different systems, as well as combine it together with the Jira apps data. So testing applications, project time management, etc. So you can put all those different data sources together and get all this data in one place, which is EazyBI, and then they create the reports that consist of all this data.
Okay, thank you. And recently, EazyBI also introduced the new features called the AI assistants. Can you tell us a little bit about these?
And yes, so basically it started already, more than 1 year ago. So I think it was like 1.5 year ago when we introduced EazyBI AI assistant for the first time. So so yeah, basically the idea came just from this global trend of AI helping people deal with different things. So we said, okay, what if we can make use the assistants to help people to get to the reports or to get the reports faster. And yeah, so it was started as let's see whether assistants can do it, and actually they can. So if we started with 3 AI assistants, so then now we already have 5. So the different assistants that you can use for different steps of making reports. So yeah, and I will show a couple of them a bit later.
Yeah, thank you. It's really like simplifying the process of making your reports, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. So this is as I said, so it's so that you can get your report faster, not just by yourself doing the report by dragging and dropping, but you can simply ask assistant, give me this and this report, or create this and this measure for me, so that you can make this formula writing easier as well.
Nice. Thank you. Yeah, I guess we can also straight away jump into the demo if you'd like to show us a little bit how these work.
Sure.
Thank
So
you.
let me just switch to sharing my screen. Okay, so so then let me show you how the AI assistants work in real life. So I'm switching to my EazyBI account, and yes, so the report building AI assistant in EazyBI is available under this stars icon. So when you open this side is a place where you can write your prompt, and the result, and the conversation goes on. So let's see, and let's create one simple report. So create issues created versus issues resolved with a ratio for year 2024 per month on a timeline. Oh, sorry for the typos. So while the assistant is thinking, I can describe what data is it looking at. So basically, our assistants are not seeing any data that you have. It is just looking at the structure you have in account. So basically, what kind of dimensions or measures you have, and then it's working on creating the report definition that will return the right report for you. So now when it delivers the answer, it also consists only of this report definition, like basically formula, and nothing else. So there is no real data in it here. So we can load the report. So we have it on a timeline. We have issues created, issues resolved. We have resolution rate, which looks like nothing. So let's ask the assistant to fix it. Please put the resolution rate on a separate axis.
Okay. And do these prompts have to be in a specific format, or can you just talk like, for example, how you are now? It's just you type how you want to see it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not having very kind of prepared line of what I'm writing. So I'm basically thinking and writing this prompt as you talk to an AI assistant. So this here was okay. Of course, you have to be very precise, because of course, if I look at this prompt, created issues, resolved issues, then we have ratio for year 2024. If you stop here, it will just give you it might give you, just one line. I mean, in a table, it would look like 2024 issues resolved, issues created. That's it. Yeah. If you want to split it per month and put it on timeline, then you need to precise those things, how you want this data to be placed. Yeah. So exactly, I think it's the same as you would talk to regular AI assistant for anything. So the more precise is the prompt, the better the answer. And here it works exactly the same. If I would say in the beginning that I want this resolution rate on a different axis, it would do it just in this one go. But as I didn't do it, so it is like this. So yes.
Yeah, makes sense.
So basically, this is how you can create a report. You can talk more with the assistant, and look for different for different reports and for different you can also change the colors here. For example, put issues created. I don't write it red because it indicates something is very wrong, but it's not wrong. In blue. And then it also you can of course go and do it by clicking, but this is simply to show that the assistant can do this kind of things, and even if it goes further to some more complex conditional formatting, you can also ask assistant to do that, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is how we used our report building assistant. I will show you also where you can find another assistant that we have. So here, report building assistant, but here you can switch to the optimizer. Yeah. So, and then for this optimizer assistant, we have some, regular prompt already prepared. So it's analyze performance or optimize some calculated formulas. In this example, there is not much, you can optimize because it's a very simple report. But yeah, for some more complex or the reports that are slow, you feel that they are simply loading long. So you can try, using a couple of those prompts and see what the assistant is coming back with.
So this is tailored to recommend improvements when you have a report that's more complex, that's going to take a bit more time, and this will help you kind of speed up the loading times and make it a bit more smoother for your users, I take it.
Exactly.
Okay.
At least, even if it it also can give you some ideas for the future, how to better already make these measures, how to write them, or how to simply do this structure a bit from different angle, so that the reports afterwards work better since the beginning, since you work on them.
Okay.
And if we still have some minute, I will show you the third, just one more assistant. So for example, here I'm going to the measure. So I didn't say. So now I will show you how the MDX formula assistant, where you can find it. So for user defined or report specific measures, you can click on this edit, and here under the stars, you also have the assistant. So, and here you can ask the assistant to create a formula for yourself. Okay, this is the place to find. So basically, you go to, if you wanna, just write it from scratch. So you go to user defined, you click there, and you have the stars. You open the window, and you say, I want to do this and this. So this is the way you can also make it this formula creation easier.
Yeah. So this is to help those maybe are not too familiar with the MDX language, and it kind of simplifies you creating any custom measure that you want.
Yes, exactly. And just from our statistics, how we see the numbers of how those assistants are used. I can say that report building assistant and this MDX formula assistant is two competing ones that all the time are competing, whether report building or MDX formula writing assistant is more popular. It changes. So 1 month is one, another month is another one. So those are our two most popular assistants. So yeah, so I hope this small demo is an inspiration to try out our AI assistants and make this reporting a bit easier for yourself.
Yes, thank you for showing us. Yeah, that was really good. Let's just move back to the presentation. Hopefully you can see that. And yeah. Perfect. So thank you very much for providing the demo. Yeah, you already mentioned when it's creating the reports that it's not looking at the data that the user has in their cube. It's more looking at how to structure the report itself. And then it provides you with the report definition, which is all of the different measures and dimensions that it can use to provide a report that shows that. And I guess that would also answer what sort of, because I understand this operates on Claude LLM. So I guess this also answered the question of what sort of data is transmitted through this. So I guess this will be just the prompt that the user gives in.
Yes, that's correct.
And then everything else is just based on the dimensions. Okay, wow. And is any data stored in this transition?
Like no kind of consumer data, no data that are real numbers that are on the customer side. No data like that one.
Okay, thank you. And I guess that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you very much for walking us through this great new feature. And for the viewers, I'd like to thank the joiners as well, for viewers for joining us today as well. And to learn more about EazyBI and the AI assistants, feel free to reach out to us or EazyBI on the details that are showing on screen at the moment. And yeah, we look forward to connecting with you. And thank you and Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.